Bunny, where are you? Lily, I'm here. Hey, what are you doing? I make a butterfly, Lily, but it's not that pretty to me. Lily, do you know how to make a beautiful butterfly? Yeah, Bunny. Oh, Lily, in that case, could you please make it for me? Okay, you help me, then we can build butterfly together. Okay, I'll help you. So let's go. Let's see what this creation requires. First, need color papers. Its size is 7 cm by 7 cm. Lily, can't we get sticky note? It's the same size. Yes, we can. But I don't have your favorite color. Oops. Okay, what else do we need, Lily? Thread, glue, and scissor. Bunny, shall we start building? Okay, let's get started. Take a 7 cm by 7 cm pieces of paper and fold the two corners like this. Then fold in the half. After that, fold into the triangular shape. Finally, fold the butterfly wings in this manner. Finished! What are you doing, Bunny? Wow! You made so many butterflies. How did you make these? I was watching you make them. Oh, nice work, Bunny. Thank you, Lily. We need to glue these butterflies to the tray. And I have something to tell you. I am making some flying butterflies for our bunny. That's why we need these things. Oh, are you really? Yes, Bunny. Then let's do the rest. I'm adding some beads to make these butterflies more colorful. And I forgot to tell you, we need a cardboard circle to hang our butterflies. Now let's cover this. Let me cut this strip for white A4 paper. Now cover. Now let's hang our butterflies in the circle. Our creation is finished. Now we'll present this beauty to you. Wow, it's so beautiful. Thank you, Lily. Okay, it's my duty to make things for you. Then you should also make beautiful things like this. Then we are leaving for today. Bye.